O Lord, it is because of your compassion and mercy that you are willing to pardon us and forget our transgressions. It is because of your justice and our merit that you afflict and punish us for what we have done. Because we are unable to tolerate your justice, and because none of us could be free without your pardon, O God, grant us your forgiveness in accordance with the tradition of kindness and shield us from punishment via the ritual of forgiveness. O richest of the rich, we are your servants. I am the poorest of the poor before you. Therefore, please use your wealth to make up for our poverty, and do not take away our hope by withholding from us, lest you deprive those who seek your bounty and make miserable those who seek happiness through you. If we turn away from you, then who will we go to, and where will we go from your door? Praise be to you. We are the ones in distress whose requests you have made it your duty to grant, and we are among those who are suffering and to whom you have pledged to provide relief. And the things that are closest to your heart's desire and most worthy of your majesty are answering someone's cry for help and showing mercy to those who come to you in supplication and lamentation. Therefore, O God, show mercy to us who have come to your mercy door in supplication and lamentation. We have humbled ourselves before you. Hear our cries. God, the devil accuses us of following him in disobedience to you. Do not please the devil by placing the blame on us now that we have abandoned the devil for your benefit and come to you on his behalf.